Previously on The Way We Did It, we took our truck camper to the Needles district of Canyonlands. We are now going on another desert adventure to Bears Ears National Monument. Alright, we're leaving Moab again, heading back south to explore Bears Ears National Monument, which we're pretty excited about because we drove through part of it yesterday on our way to Canyonlands National Park, and the landscape was just outrageous. So we can't wait to see more.
Got the hubs locked and I'm ready to get some dirt on the tires, baby.
We'll see about that.
Yeah, we
Dave and I were heading south of Moab on another desert day trip, this time to Bears Ears National Monument. It was named after two distinctive buttes that tower above a landscape of red rock, juniper forest, and high plateaus. This land has a deep connection with Native American culture, which is why it was protected as a national monument in 2016. Since we were only there for the day, we decided to drive its scenic byway to the neighboring park of natural bridges. It's known for, like the name implies, its sandstone natural bridges, along with great views of the Bears Ears formations. We wanted to get a hike in, so why not pick the trail to the largest natural bridge in the park? The Sipapu Bridge spans 268 feet and is 220 feet tall, making it the second largest natural bridge in the United States.
It's gonna be steep.
Yeah, that canyon looks real steep. We'll see if we can survive this hike.
I don't know.
Oh my god. That's pretty high.
That's...
Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, if you're afraid of heights, I'm facing my fear right now. Alright, our first set of stairs. This isn't bad.
No, these are great.
Yeah.
So these little logs here, the guidebook said they used to, before they built all this, they would come down, early visitors would climb across those logs and then climb down this tree to get down to the bottom.
Oh my gosh. No way.
Yeah.
I would turn around. There's no way. That's crazy. I'm glad we have these steps.
I used to be wearing wool pants.
Oh god. This is the ladder. Oh no.
Oh, it's not that far though. It's pretty short.
Okay, it's not that high. Oh god, and it wiggles. Okay. It's not that high, but it's still nerve-wracking.
It's a little bit nerve-wracking.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a good 20 feet.
Yeah. And it wiggles. Okay. Come on, girl. All right, what are you thinking? You want to hike down to the arch?
I think it looks pretty snaky down there. I mean, it only makes sense because the snakes can't climb back out. Go trap right under there.
All right, I think we're gonna turn around. I don't know if I trust my ankle yet to go down a canyon that steep. But I feel pretty satisfied seeing the overlook, right?
Yeah.
It's a beautiful bridge.
I think this is a good view.
Yeah, I think that's a great view of it. So we're gonna turn around.
Yeah.
Due to the isolation of natural bridges, it holds one of the best preserved ancestral Puebloan sites in the area. The Horse Collar Ruin was officially documented in 1907 and is the main reason Natural Bridges was established as a national monument. The ruins were located across the canyon, so we recommend bringing binoculars to get a better view. Something we'll need to do next time. We finished up our day by taking the overlook trails to the remaining 2 natural bridges. Much. Final bridge. Final bridge.
Trademark.
We also checked out the campground and visitor center. Before making our way back to Moab. Next time on The Way We Did It. We spend the night in Great Basin National Park before reaching our final destination. Any guesses? If you'd like to join us on more adventures, be sure to like this video and click that subscribe button. And consider joining our Patreon for extra perks like travel guides, bloopers, and digital photographs. It helps to support our channel so we can continue to show you the way we did it.